Dimitri, as I call him, another one of my Explorers, and although he has a lot of problems, one of them was a rough idle and the engine not working properly, with the check engine bulb keep flashing from time to time and sometimes even staying on. I've read on the Explorer forum, and one of the problems appears to be the purge canister, which is this. This is the purge canister. And also I checked for codes, because sometimes the check engine would remain on and I could check for codes. And of course I had the code for the purge canister and the code for the MAF sensor, the airflow sensor. So I took purge canister and the MAF sensor that I had as spares, and I'll try to swap them and see if the car will handle better. This is the spare one, purge canister, that I was talking about. It's a solenoid electric valve, and this is the MAF sensor, another spare, but both of them I know they are working because I took them from a car that had no codes, and the engine runs perfectly. First I'll remove the connector. I push under it, you'll see, easily, trying not to see. I push this and pull it out, and then these are T20 Torx 20 tamper proof bolts. And easy, just removing it. Now placing the other MAF sensor. Okay, the connector, and now I'll see if this made any change to the car, to the engine running, so I know if it's this one or the purge canister. In order to change the purge canister solenoid, I'll have to disconnect this, then the connector, which again I push and pull, is disconnected, and you see it still has one vacuum line connected to it, which goes directly here under the throttle body, so I'll have to disconnect that as well. It's not difficult, you don't have to take the throttle body off. It's enough if you take the admission off and then squeeze your hand and gently pull it out. 8mm bolt.
That holds the admission.
Now you have access to that vacuum line. I'll just use and gently. This is it. My spare valve is in place, I connected it. Now I'll have to put back the admission. Let's see if I got rid of that problem. No? No? I'm just gonna record the check engine light to see if it will light up again while driving around the yard for a bit. You see that after I started the car, there was still the check engine light coming on, but much less. And I looked at the Purge solenoid again, and the problem was that the vacuum line that was going into the throttle body, I didn't push it all the way back, so you have to pay attention to that. After that, the check engine light didn't come on at all, and now I took it for a test drive, but it works just fine. So I'll head back to the garage. That is how you change the Purge canister solenoid and the MAF sensor in case you have problems with any of them. Thank you for watching, and if you find it useful, just hit the like button.